Alright, in this video, I'm going to go over the structure of this course. We are going to begin by creating a basic Express server. We will then proceed with setting up our Mongo database and then creating our RESTful APIs. We are going to create APIs for user registration, user login, and fetching regular and special events. We will test these APIs using Postman. We will then generate a basic Angular application using Angular CLI. Finally, we will focus on developing the UI and authenticating our Angular application. Few videos down the line, once we are done with the backend, I'm going to break down the front-end tasks so that we have a clear picture of our Angular application as well. Alright, so this is the order in which we will proceed to build the application.